Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute. Soybeans and corn are lower on Monday, pressured by forecasts for at least a more moderate weather pattern in many key growing areas during the first part of this week. Still, contracts did close much closer to the day's highs than they did to the lows on those uncertainties over longer-term weather outlooks. Corn had additional support from the sale of 135,000 tons of new crop U.S. corn to unknown destinations. Wheat was lower, seeing pressure from the overall bearish supply fundamental outlook. Still, there are those continued concerns in the northwestern U.S. plains on into the Canadian prairies, along with some dry weather issues in parts of Australia. Live and feeder cattle were sharply lower, responding to last week's USDA cattle on feed and inventory numbers. Also, cash business last week was steady to lower. This week's direct cash cattle show list looks mostly larger than last week, except for Texas. Box beef at midday was higher, but not a factor. And hogs closed lower on cash and wholesale pressure in addition to spillover from cattle. Still, losses were limited by their discount to the cash index. I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute.